Hey guys, Tony here. So super huge sell-off on Bitcoin. You actually crossed over trend and broke the underside. So if we do not recover from here and stay above trend, it definitely looks like we're gonna drop to 60K. So I actually had a long on Forex that I actually had to close out because I over leveraged it to actually buy at 61.8. So I bought it right here somewhere. And just on this second leg down, I had to close it out because I do see that it can definitely drop a little longer to the downside. It can possibly have another leg down. There's a lot of bearish momentum. It's starting to calm down right here. You guys can see on the 30 that it's starting to calm down a little bit, but we got to see what happens because this was a big sell-off, a big single sell-off. On Bitcoin, and we got to see where it kind of stabilizes on. So if it stabilizes here, great. That means we can possibly see a rebound up. If it doesn't stabilize and drop and keep dropping, we're headed back to like 60K. So I hope nobody is over leveraged. I had to close one a little over leveraged position that I had open. Didn't lose too much on it, and I have other positions open, so just kind of letting those run. I want to see how far this drop can actually take us, or if we recover to the upside. But this was kind of a random drop. Well, not really. It's just, the daily was on a bear trend, so I'm not super surprised that we actually dropped. I just, from the movement that it had, it didn't seem like it was actually going to drop is all, especially after closing a bull cycle on the 4-hour, I think yesterday at 9 p.m. So I did think that we were going to keep pushing to the upside. So this candle right here is super surprising, right? Like we sold off from 63.6 all the way to 61.1. So not a crazy sell-off, it's just about like a 2K sell-off, but still, this I'm pretty sure this caught a lot of people off guard, especially it being under that channel. So I'll see you guys later. Just want it to stabilize before I get back in on this. I do want to open up another Bitcoin long soon. But I gotta wait till this stabilizes because this fall was completely random. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.